Hello, good evening to you, and part of the story here is the Al Bayt Stadium by night. 60,000 capacity here. I'm Derek Ray in the commentary position, and alongside me is the former Arsenal and West Ham midfield player Stuart Robson. And both teams looking to get off to a flying start here on match day 1 for them at the 2022 FIFA World Cup. It's Portugal facing Ghana.
Well, thanks, Derek. This is such an important game. Both sides will be desperate to start this group well. Let's hope we see some great football today.
Can he finish this? Oh, right in the nick of time. Sulemana. Abdul Rahman Baba. Bernardo Silva. In a position from which they could potentially do a bit of damage here. Jiku, Amarte, Idrissou Baba, Sulemana. Committed challenge. Well, can he put them in front? Oh, and Ronaldo has scored! The first goal will give them such a lift.
Well, he puts it away really well, as you can see. But you'd expect him to score from that range. But they all count.
Well, the ball is moving once more. How important will that opening goal prove to be? Thomas Partey. Now can they make something happen? But they dealt with the threat posed. Ronaldo. Well, disappointing end to the move. Mohamed Kudus. Ayew. Kudus. Really getting stuck in. Wanted to keep it but couldn't. Good work from Portugal to win back possession. Amarte. That is that for the first half here. Well, they've got things going again here, and I wonder what kind of second half we have in store for us. Effective challenge. Oh, left his man behind here. Can he put it in? Great chance to make it a brace, but the keeper had his say.
Well, he has to get a second goal soon. He's been brilliant today.
Well, not quite the corner he had in mind. Goalkeeper has it. Sulemana. And the referee felt he had to blow the whistle. Well, he's given us away. Rafael Leao. Christian. Oh, he's through here. And it's a goal here from Bernardo Silva.
Well, as you can see, he's a dangerous runner with the ball. He has such good balance and pace. That's a top-class goal, isn't it?
2-0 now, and back underway. Well, fine use of the ball. But it was a good-looking sequence, but it comes to an end. Bernardo Silva. And they'll be a bit annoyed to have lost the ball. Into the final 20 minutes. They've won back possession. Well, the seconds are ticking away, and the home side in control. Stuart, what have you made of this?
Well, I think the scoreline reflects the difference between the two teams. For most of the game, they've dictated the play, and they've created some really good chances. I think it's been an excellent performance.
So deciding to make a personnel change at this juncture. Not fantastic defending. Let's see if it helps the opposition. And on the corner, can they take advantage of this one? And a goal to put the final stamp on it. That will do it.
Well, here's the replay, and it all starts with the delivery into the box. Just begging someone to get on the end of it. And then the shot could not be hit any better. Struck with such venom. Great goal.
Well, if there were any lingering doubts about the outcome, surely they now have been removed. Felix in position. Well, not every keeper would have been that brave.
Well, he read it brilliantly, didn't he? Top stuff from the keeper.
A message delivered from the referee to the fourth official. 3 minutes on the board. And there goes the final whistle. A positive result for the fans in attendance here. Maximum points to begin the campaign. And Stuart, they can go home happy.
Yeah, it's so vital to get off to a quick start in these group stages. They'll be happy with the 3 points, but now they have to back it up in the next game. 6 points and you're halfway there.